Okay, we're going to go ahead and complete Isoline 6. So let's go ahead and start with a new part. And with this drawing, I'm going to approach it just like Isoline 4 from the right side view. So we're going to go ahead here and start a new sketch, and we're going to make sure we select the plane for the right side. So let's go ahead and click on a new sketch. And once again, our right side view plane is going to be the YZ plane. Let's click on that. Alright, we're going to start off with a 2-point rectangle. We're going to click once at the origin, moving up and over to the right. First number it's asking for is the height, which we know is 2.5. I'm going to hit my tab key. And the second number I'm going to be typing in is going to be the width, which we know is 1.5. Now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, it's going off the screen here, so let me go ahead and do a zoom all. And we're going to go ahead and actually approach this one with another rectangle. So we're actually going to go ahead and keep the rectangle tool selected. And I'm going to show you a way to simply just draw a shape. Not be too concerned about the size or shape. I'm just going to draw a rectangle right here along this edge. Okay, I'm sure we both can tell that this is not accurate according to the drawing. So let's go ahead and bring in that dimension tool. So let's go ahead once again, let's zoom out a little bit. And another tool some of you are getting familiar with is the hand or pan tool. You can basically grab and kind of move the drawing around if need be. Okay, so let's click on the dimension tool. And let's start with a dimension here. So we're going to click once on this line, the second time on this line. Let's make sure we move over to the left. Let's click a third time, and we can tell from the drawing that this area has a height of 0.5. Let's go ahead and type that in and enter. If we go down here, we can actually find the same height. We're going to click once, twice. Let's come over here. Click a third time. We're going to once again type in 0.5. Okay, no need to dimension this area because this plus this is 1. So we already know that this is 1.5 inches, which is what it should be. Okay, now the next thing we need to know is the distance from this line to this edge. So let's go ahead and add another dimension. We're going to go ahead and click once here. Let's go ahead and click a second time here. Let's add another dimension here, and according to the drawing this is going to be 0.5 as well. Okay, perfect, that's it. Now we could trim this line here from here to here, but as you'll see in a minute I really don't need to do that. I'm just going to leave it how it is. Let me hit finish sketch. Let's go ahead and do a zoom all. I'm going to go ahead this time and once again select the extrude, and you will notice we have a face here and we have a face here, so I have separated this portion from the rest of the model. So I'm going to go ahead and click here once. I'm going to have this move in the opposite direction, and according to our drawing this is a 5-inch in length part. Let's hit OK. So again, let's go ahead and select zoom all, and here we have a completed Isoline 6. Go ahead and save your work. Good job.